metrics that truly matter in an innovation setting in a GCC. First of all, you should never chase vanity metrics. I'll give you an example. If you're talking about the number of PoCs shipped, then that's a vanity metric, and this has no value to your actual work that you're delivering in an innovation setting. There are two key metrics that you should definitely look at. The first one is your pipeline health. What does it entail? Pipeline health means the number of problems that you have actually qualified, the number of testable hypotheses, and actual time that you take to go from a problem statement to a hypothesis to a POC to an actual executed pilot. If you're able to do that, then you have one successful metric that you can actually talk to your SteerCo about. The second key metric that you have to look at is business impact. And normally I look at 4 levers for doing that. The first one is your top line impact, which is revenue growth. The second one is your bottom line impact or inefficiencies on the cost front. The third one is risk reduction, and the fourth one is speed. And on top of that, you have to look at a special condition, which is how many of these solutions that you have shipped have actually been retained in the production environment. If you get these two metrics right, then the only job left is to actually send a one-pager to your steering committee or SteerCo or management committee and then ask them to review that. If you cannot do it in one page, either you are talking about the wrong things or you have too less information to actually push it out to your steering co. If you need actually more information on this, just type the word charter in the comments and I'll send you a detailed framework on this.